We are back again with another juicing challenge, and my goal is to see how much juice I can make with just $10. So today we are going to Target. I'm so excited, and trust me, you guys will want to see this. If you want to participate and guess how many juices I can make with these $10 from Target, let me know in the comments below before we begin, and then we'll find out together. Let's get it. So normally I'm not a fan of Target produce, but I am a Target girly, so I'm always in here. Like, my crazy obsession is candles. I love candles. I'd be literally buying them like I'm crazy. But anyways, here we are at the produce. So one thing about Target is there's not many options. So that's a blessing and a curse. That's come up to $9.57. Now the problem is that leaves me with 43 cents. The likelihood of me finding anything for 43 cents is very minimal. So I'm excited for this mixture here. We have cantaloupe, pineapple, parsley, and apples. Now I'm curious to see what this combination is going to taste like, but I was really curious because I heard you all in the comments and you were saying how cantaloupe is a really good option, and I was seeing a lot of you also mention pineapple. So I was like, I wonder if I combine cantaloupe and pineapple, would that give us a lot of juice yield? So I guess we're gonna find out today. I'm really excited, and as usual, we're gonna put everything in this bowl right here. We're gonna try to fill it to the top, and we're also gonna have a strainer as well because we're gonna remove all that extra pulp so that it doesn't seem like we're getting more juice than we actually are. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm usually not one to go to Target to shop for my produce, but I feel like we did pretty good in terms of the pricing, so let's see how much juice we can get from these $10 at Target. You know what? I wonder will we get more juice if I kept the cores this time around. Technically, we don't have enough to poison us. Most of it is getting removed, the cyanide that is in the core. So I think for this part of the challenge, I'm actually going to put the whole apple in there just to see something. first off, I don't think I've ever seen the juice reach this part of the bowl before. Y'all ready to see how much juice we made? I know I am. Stop! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all. I don't even know what to say. We ended up getting 6.5 jars. Y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Oh my goodness. So for those of you who may not have seen the previous videos in this challenge, I was just happy to get 5 full jars of juice because every store that I've been to that I spent $10 in, every combinations that I tried up until this point, I was only able to get 4 jars and 12 ounces. I think that was the max I was able to get. And I was like, you know what? Look, I'll just be happy with 5 jars. And look at this. We're here with 6.5. Won't he do it? Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. For those of you that guessed in the beginning, were you right? Did you guess that we will get this much juice? Let's do the math. We ended up getting 6 16-ounce jars and 1 8-ounce jar, which totals to 104 ounces of juice. We ended up spending $10.32, and we ended up getting 6.5 jars. So that is approximately $1.58 per jar of juice. So there we have it. We know that we can get a good amount of juice for $10. What? And let alone from Target. Come on, Tarjay said, don't play with me. Now, before I get too excited, I do want to taste it because I feel like I kind of just threw some produce together. So let's actually see if this tastes good too. If it tastes good, we got a winner, okay? So let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. I know I'm so dramatic, but look. I accidentally almost drunk the whole thing. That is so good. You know, I ain't gonna lie. At first, when I thought of adding the parsley, I'm like, oh, it's gonna add like a bitterness to it and da-da-da. Scrap all that. The apples, the melons, and the pineapple, the sweetness that they have, it completely overpowers any bitterness that may come from the parsley. And I put a whole bunch of parsley. This is delicious. I can't make this up. Y'all gotta try this. Y'all gotta try. Let me not drink this whole thing. That is so good. Okay, so we have ourselves a winner. We did it, y'all. We did it. And I couldn't have done it without you in the comments. Thank you so much for dropping your suggestions. A lot of you was like, hey girl, try this. Hey girl, you know. So I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Now, there's one more thing I want to try too, because I seen someone in the comments mention that when they went to the store, they were able to buy 3 cantaloupes and they were able to get a lot of juice from that. So I'm wondering if I was to do this, say at another store. If you guys want to see one in mine, definitely let me know in the comments below. But if I was to try that and get either 3 full cantaloupes or 3 full honeydew, or maybe a mix and match of the two, will we be able to beat this? We're about to find out. So if you want to see that, definitely subscribe, stick around, and you'll be able to see the rest of this challenge. I'm so excited. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share the love. I would truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next videos. All right? Take care.